took delivery of my pre-order. Amazing, got here amazingly fast. Here is the new catalogue. Can't show you inside until the 3rd of June, but then let's take a look at some of the goodies. I've actually have taken them out of the packaging already. These are the beautiful embossing folders which coordinate, just move that out of the way, with the Forever Greenery stamp set. Just gorgeous. I've got projects ready to go to create and inspire you with. The dies that coordinate with that set. This is gorgeous, the Jar of Flowers stamp set, which has a coordinating punch, which then has coordinating shaker-dooms. Then we've got, can't decide which is my favourite set, maybe this one, Beautiful World stamp set, which coordinates with dies, which then has some slides and some like fancy antique corners to go with them, some gold hoops. I've got lots of ideas for those. Then we've got the new in colours. The in colours come in a multi-pack, so you can get 4 of each of the 5 different colours. And here are all of the colours. We've got Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Magenta Madness, that one's called. That one is Misty Moonlight, Lovin' the Blue, and Just Jade. Can't wait to get creating with all of those. Those out of the way. And then we've got in colour enamel dots. They'll be interesting on projects. Then we've got the in colour ribbons. Now I've got 3 of the in colours. I didn't get the bright pink one. Not sure about that colour just yet, but I'm sure that'll grow on me. So I've got the Cinnamon Cider, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade. Then the Bumblebee comes in a gingham ribbon, as well as the same as all the other ones in that style ribbon. Just got the gingham because I thought that was a little bit different. Tasteful Textures. This is a great embossing folder. A new punch. Now this is going to do, I can't remember, I think it does 6 different types of punches, tag punches. And then we've got the Designer Series paper. Can't wait to open these and play. Flowers for Every Season. World papers. That's stunning from the catalogue, what I've seen. Just playing with that this afternoon. A Taste of Texture. All sorts of different photographic style papers. Ooh, brass. Oh, that's really bright. Sorry. Brass foil. And then Forever Greenery. So that's just a taste of some of the products in the new catalogue. So stay tuned, keep an eye out for some sneak peeks of what I'm going to create. All these are available from the 3rd of June to customers.